Hello everyone, can you solve this before the timer ends? That means the 10 seconds. So if you haven't, so let's start with. So what people do, 9 divided by 3 times 3 minus 1 as 9 divided by 9 minus 1, 1 minus 1 as 0, which is a wrong answer. Yes, you heard it right. When an expression like this, you have given multiple operation like division, multiplication, then subtraction, then you have to always follow PEMDAS or PEMDAS rule. As per this rule, first you have to solve the parenthesis, then exponent, then multiplication, division both have same priority, similarly addition and subtraction. But you have to always solve from left to right. So first solve this division left to right. 9 divided by 3 times 3 minus 1. So it's 3 times 3 minus 1. So now multiplication and subtraction, we have to give priority to multiplication. So it's 9 minus 1, 8. So what is the correct answer? 8, not 0. I hope it's clear and you find it useful. So don't forget to share your feedback through like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.